Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss about different types of variables in a custom functions. So we have two different types of variables. One is a local variable and the other one is a global variable. Local variables are the variables which are accessible only inside a function but not outside a function. So what do you mean by that? Let's say for example, I have a function like this. I'll just use I just want to find square root of a number. So I'll pass x and then I'll just say like x is equal to 10. Let me not pass anything within a function. I'll define x is equal to 10. Okay, and I'll just ask it to return x. Great, now let me call my function. So what it is doing? It is returning. You know why this x is called as a local variable? X value is defined within a function, right? Any variable defined within a function is called as a local variable because it is accessible only inside a function. It cannot be accessed outside. So what do you mean by it cannot be accessed outside? See, if I try to call print x, it gives me nothing. It says like x is not defined. So that's the reason x equals 10 is basically called as a local variable. Because that variable is utilized only within a function. It cannot be used outside a function. Getting? Any variable which is used inside a function is called as a local variable. If we cannot use it outside, it's a local variable. So now the question is, what is global variable? Just opposite. So global variable in the sense, variables which are accessible inside as well as outside a function. Let's say for example, see here, I'll just use x is equal to 10. And then I'm defining it outside. Let me just define my custom function square root of nothing I'm passing. Okay. And then I'll just say like return x. Okay. And let me run this and let me call a function. See, even though I have not defined x value inside a function, but still I'm able to access that x value within a function. And even if I try to access it outside a function using a print statement, still it's working. So this x value is basically called as a global variable because it is accessible inside as well as outside. So let me show you one more instance. What if you have a variable outside as well as inside a function? So now can you guess what I'll return if I call my function and what I'll get if I call printx? So when there are global variable, local variable both in your function, obviously local variable will override and local variable value will be returned within a function. Because x equals 20 is a value within a function. It will not take a global when you have both. Local will have a more importance inside a function. So it is returning 20. But when I call it outside using a printx, it is giving me the global variable. So now the question is, how do you make your local variable a global variable? How to convert local variable into global? Any idea? So very simple. Let me define function. I'll say is q square root of. And then we just use global x and then define your x value and then try to return x. See, I'll just give it like 100, okay, because 10 is already there. I'll call my function just square root, so it's giving me 100. Even if I try to call it, print x, it's going to give me 100. So what did we do? So x equals 100 is a local variable, but we converted that into a global variable using global keyword. This is how you convert a local variable into a global variable so that you can utilize that variable inside a function as well as, outside the function. I hope it's clear. So this is all about, understanding of local variable as well as a global variable. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.